Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something very exciting with you, which is the unboxing and review of my dream bag from Chanel. The mini reissue in black, calfskin and vintage gold tone hardware. So I'm gonna share with you how I got the bag, what I love about the bag and what are the cons of the bag and why this is the most classic piece of Chanel of all time. So make sure that you stay tuned until the very end to hear all my updates and reviews. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Jean. I talk about how to mix and match classic and colorful items in order to achieve a feminine and classic look. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Now let's get started. Now let's unbox it. My Chanel mini reissue is from the 2023 Spring Summer Collection Act 1, which is called the 23P collection. I got it in late January 2023. Let's see how it looks like. Ta-da! This is the one. It's made of single flap. Inside it's just one compartment with a card slot and a zip pocket. This is a Marcel turn lock. And let's look at the beautiful vintage gold tone hardware. The leather is made of vintage calfskin. The bottom is foldable. At the back there's a little pocket. One thing I want to mention is that this taken 2 months or 3 months after I purchased the bag, and you can see that the bottom of the bag is not really flattened because the leather is quite thin, and I noticed that over time the closure of the turn lock just tilting upwards and making the leather a bit puffy at the bottom. I don't really like it, but unfortunately I have to accept it because this bag seems to have a more thin leather. Okay, first I want to talk about how I got the bag. So I've been always loving the mini reissue style since I got my mini reissue from 2019 I believe it's 2019 pre-fall collection, the sequined mini reissue. So after that I've been using the mini reissue all the time, and I have been wanting a black leather version of the mini reissue. So I asked my SA in year 2021 around May, hey, please keep an eye on the mini reissue in black color in vintage gold tone hardware for me. And then after 2 months she said, okay, I have the bag right now, but the price has been increased by a bit more than 10%. Would you still want to get it? When she told me she had the bag in stock, she asked in such an embarrassing way, so I suspect that she actually only asked me about the bag knowing that the price will increase, so that she waited until the price increased to ask me. And then I actually declined. Of course, now I regretted it, but at the time I declined because I was not sure whether I really loved the bag that much. And at that time, I was waiting to get my classic flat bag in white caviar leather in the medium size. And also at that time, I also wanted a Chanel 19 bag, so I didn't really get this mini reissue bag. 1 year later, in year 2022, I was really dying for this bag, and I asked around, and unfortunately, the bag was not around. And my SA even say, I've never ever seen a mini reissue more than 2 times in my life at the shop. I was like, wow, is it really so rare? And turns out, yes, every single SA say the mini reissue was extremely rare to come across. And sometimes in different collection, they might not have exactly the quoted style I want. Sometimes it's in the chevron pattern, which is the one I don't want. So it's not exactly easy to come across this. So in year 2023, I tried to ask multiple SAs, do they have this bag? If they have one, please keep an eye on me. And I knew that in the 2023 P collection, I knew that this bag will appear again. So I keep asking before the launch of the collection, my SA. And finally she say, okay, this coming Friday, I will have a shipment, but I'm not sure if this mini reissue will be there. But please come to the shop when it's first open so that your chance of getting a mini reissue is higher. Then, on that day, when they received the shipment, I went to the store of my SA 5 minutes before they were open. And when the store was open, I met my SA and she got me the bag from the stockroom, and I was so happy. They only have one piece of this bag in stock at that day. I don't know whether they received the bag again. I'm sure they received it, but I'm so happy that I came across this bag on that particular day. And if it wasn't my SA that came to the shop early, and that I also came to the shop early, I probably wouldn't be able to get it, because a million people are waiting for this bag. So this is how I got the bag. The most important thing is you just keep asking for your SA, and you need to be very flexible, and you need to show that you're ready to get this bag as soon as they reserve for you. I was very lucky to have a good SA who understand my style, and she knew that I was really loving this bag, so she reserved it for me. So this is how I got the bag. Let's see what fits. I'm gonna compare it with the mini rectangular and see whether those things that I put in the mini rectangular is gonna fit into my mini reissue. So I have my AirPods, my lip balm, tissue, iPhone 13, also my classic card holder. It fits my classic card holder easily, my phone, tissue, lip balm, AirPods. And as you can see, there's still a lot of space left. So that I put my power bank, fits perfectly, and my hand sanitizer. After putting my hand sanitizer, I realized I can also put my AirPods easily, and it fits even better putting it vertically. And there's still some space left. If you want, which is not recommended, you can put the hand cream on top. Definitely I would not do that, but if you want to, you can. It fits 4 more things inside the mini reissue than the mini rectangular. Next, I'm gonna share what I like about the bag, then what I did like about the bag. So first of all, what I like about the bag is that the bag has this very classic and understated look, because the turn lock is not the CC turn lock, it's a Marcel turn lock. This is also the handbag style that Coco Chanel first created in 1955. So this is truly the classic piece of Chanel. It's the kind of style, if you know, you know. Second reason I like this bag is that the size of the mini is very cute. You know, it's not as cute as a mini square, but it's cute enough to be considered a cute bag. But at the same time, it's also super classy because of the Marcel turn lock and also of the vintage gold chain. And you know the calf skin here, which is made of vintage calf skin, it just makes the bag look a bit more boyish and edgy. So I like the edginess and the classiness of the bag. All the best quality of Chanel just go in one single handbag, and this is the one. This is the one. I feel like I can match this bag with any outfit. It could be jeans, it could be going to work daytime, it could be an evening bag, and it will look perfect on any outfit. So this bag is truly versatile, and you can match it with multiple styles, and that's what I loved about the bag. The third reason I like the bag is that there's double grommet here. That means that you can wear the bag as shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. Even for the shoulder bag, you can wear it in a double chain or a single strap. So it is really versatile, and you would never find the same thing in the classic flap mini rectangle or mini square. And this is truly special for mini reissue, and that's what I love about it. This is especially the case for petite ladies, because I'm very petite. I'm only 5'1". Being able to carry the bag in the double strap style means that I would not be able to confine myself with always needing to carry it as crossbody or a long strap shoulder bag, having to really using the adjustment calf to make this strap shorter. In this case, I don't need to make the strap shorter at all. So this is the reason number 3 why I love this bag so much. Reason number 4, I like the fact that the bag is made of vintage calf skin. So you can see the calfskin leather here is not as delicate as the lambskin leather as you see in the classic flat mini rectangle or mini square. So this is really special. You will never find this kind of material in the other classic style mini bags in Chanel. And I feel like because of this vintage calfskin here, it's more durable and it's less prone to scratches. So even if you scratch it, it would not as visible as in the lambskin leather. I feel like I don't need to always baby the bag because it is also in black color. I can use it anytime and I will not need to worry color transfer or any other situations. Reason number 5 why I like this bag is this bag can really hold a lot. I really mean a lot, because first of all, the bag is made of single flap. So there's no double flap, so that you can hold more inside. And the main reason why this bag holds so much compared to other mini bags in a similar size is because the bottom of the bag is very wide. I think it's at least 1 centimeter wider than mini rectangular or mini square. And that is the reason why this bag can hold a lot. And I feel like the calfskin leather also allow for room for, expanding the bag. I don't mean you should expand the bag, but I mean this kind of leather just make it more roomy inside the bag so you can hold more. So this is something that I truly love about the bag, is that it is just much wider than the other mini bags, and it will allow you to hold more things inside. Now let's talk about the cons. I mean, even though I love this bag so much, there's always cons for each of the handbag. So the first con is that because the turn lock is Mademoiselle turn lock instead of CC turn lock, it is not as easy to target it in order to close the bag or open the bag than the CC turn lock. So you will need to really focus and really find that space in order to turn and open and turn and close. So it is not as easy. The second thing is also the turn lock will get wear and tear more easily than the CC turn lock. So over time, as you open and close this part, you will see that kind of wear and tear around this area where you are rubbing against the metal here. So this one is quite new, so you haven't seen it yet, but I can definitely see the wear and tear or the turn off for my other mini reissue or bigger size reissue bags. So that's something that you need to be aware of, which is, the wear and tear of the turn lock here. The third thing about this bag is that, as you know, this bag is foldable. So when Mademoiselle Chanel first designed this bag, it was meant to be foldable and you could travel with this bag. So when I first opened the bag from the box, when my Chanel SA just took it from the stockroom, it was actually folded at the bottom, like, I don't know how to do it, like this, all right? But after I bought the bag and I came home, I just make the bag bottom flat. But actually the back bottom, as you can see, there's crease here. So you can see that actually it was first folded. So it depends on you, because some people don't like the foldable style and some people are okay with that. I personally don't like the foldable style, so I make it flat and I believe it looks better. So if you don't like this kind of style, you might need to think about whether this is something that you should be aware of before you buy the bag. Number 4, which is a very annoying thing about the bag, is that because there's no leather piece in this chain, unlike the usual classic flap handbags. So when you are wearing the chain on your shoulder, it's actually easily slip off from your shoulders. So this is quite annoying, and you will often also hear this sound of the chain, sliding around. So you might find it annoying in a quiet environment where the bag's just making noises all the time. Well, for me, it's not a big deal, but I just want to be transparent and let you know if you're considering buying this bag. So these are all the cons of the bag. What do you think?
Now let's look at how to style the bag with 3 different outfits. My first outfit is a very casual chic outfit. I have my white blouse, which is very bohemian style. Then I have my high waist, straight leg denim blue jeans. I like this combination because it is very casual and also feminine and a bit girly. What do you think? My second outfit is a more simple evening outfit. This is just a simple little black dress, a little detail on the side with side split and a little bow. So it's a very feminine outfit, and I feel like the bag truly adds to the feminine and classic accent of this outfit. I love it. It's feminine and also a bit cute and boyish at the same time. My third outfit is a more neutral tone outfit. This is a more natural but feminine and simple city chic style outfit. The calfskin of the bag just adds a little more edginess to the otherwise super soft and neutral tone outfit. I truly love the contrast. So overall speaking, I really enjoyed the bag. Since I got the bag in late January this year, I've been already using it for quite some times already, for daytime outfit, for going to work, and also evening dinners. I find the style very versatile, and because also this is the first handbag designed by Mademoiselle Chanel, I feel like this is truly the classic piece of Chanel. And the understated style and the Mademoiselle turnlock just make it so subtle, but also elegant and feminine. I feel like this is truly the most classic piece of the Chanel fashion house of all time. So if there's only one handbag I need to buy from Chanel, this is the one. And this have to be in the black vintage calfskin, in vintage gold tone hardware, in the mini size. Any other sizes or hardware or leather material would not be able to make this perfect combination of this handbag that I like. So what is your view on this handbag? Are you more a mini reissue or a mini classic fab girl? Let me know in the comment down below. If you like my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's it for my video today. See you guys next time. Bye!